In this video, we will be looking at Arduino UNO R4 Wi-Fi board, how it is different from the Arduino UNO R4 Minima board, and setting up the Arduino Cloud platform to build IoT projects. The Arduino UNO R4 Wi-Fi board is the latest iteration in the UNO series. It is powered by a 32-bit Renesas RA4 M1 microcontroller. Its key feature is that it has an integrated ESP32S3 module providing built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. It also includes an onboard 12x8 LED matrix. Both Arduino UNO R4 Wi-Fi and Arduino UNO R4 Minima share the same powerful 32-bit Renesas RA4 M1 microcontroller, increased memory, faster clock speed, and the classic UNO form factor. The main difference is that the R4 Wi-Fi uniquely includes the ESP32S3 for wireless communication and the integrated LED matrix, while the Minima focuses on core functionality. Arduino Cloud is an online platform that simplifies developing and managing your IoT projects. It provides a seamless way to connect your Arduino board to the internet, allowing you to monitor data, control devices remotely, and build intuitive dashboards, all without needing to set up complex server infrastructure. Open your browser and head to the Arduino Cloud website by typing cloud.arduino.cc in the search bar. Create an account if you don't have one and then log in. Next, connect your Arduino UNO R4 Wi-Fi board to your computer via a USB cable. On the main Arduino Cloud page, click Create New. Under that, you will find the option Add Device. Choose Arduino board since you are using an Arduino R4 board. Next, you will need to install the Arduino Cloud Agent. When prompted, click Install to download the Cloud Agent installer. Once it is downloaded, open and install the agent to your preferred location. Now, we have to configure the Arduino board with the Cloud Agent. Go back to the Arduino Cloud setup page. Your board should be automatically found. Click Configure. The wizard will update the firmware on the board to work with the Cloud Agent. Once this step is done, your device dashboard will appear. The next step will be creating a thing, adding variables, and testing the different sensors on the Arduino UNO R4 experiment kit. The further steps will be covered in a more detailed video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.